Okay, so we're going to be making our swatch now. For this I am using, and for this project, and this is the first time that I think you really need to be using the same weight of yarn and hook size as me, so that we end up with the right size headbands. Okay, so I am using a chunky yarn, so it doesn't have to be the exact same one, but I am using Paintbox Simply Chunky, which you can get from lovecrafts.com. I am also using a 6mm hook. Okay, so I'm going to chain 17 chains. So I want you to do exactly the same. So put a slip knot on your hook and then chain 17, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So then we are going to do a half double crochet into the second chain from the hook. So not that one, the second one. So we yarn over, we insert the hook, we yarn over, we pull through, and then we yarn over and pull through all three. So as I said in the tension presentation, that it's important to do the stitch pattern the same as in the pattern, and this is the pattern we're going to be making. So we're going to be making a headband. So what I want you to do is do half double crochet in every stitch across your 17, or we started with 17 chains and we went into the second one, so we should have 16 half double crochets across your row. Okay, and I'll see you when you've done that. Okay, so I've got 16 half double crochets across my row. I'm going to chain one and turn, and then I am going to do half double crochets across the row in the front loops only. So remembering to go into that first stitch, just into that front loop, just like in the video before where we did front loops and back loops. Okay, so this row is going to be front loops. This is the first row after the row into the chain. You can't really do front loops and back loops in the chain because there's only one loop on that row. So we're just going into the front ones this time. Okay, so do half double crochets all the way across in the front loop. Okay, so I've done that, my front loops all the way across. I'm going to chain one as I turn, and then we're going to do half double crochets in the back loops all the way across. Okay, so remember which is the back one, the one furthest away from you with the yarn looking at you. Ooh. Okay, so I want you to go all the way across, making half double crochets in the back loops. And then after that, what I want you to do is repeat that pattern. So you do one row, half double crochet in the front loops, and then the next row, half double crochet in the back loops. Then half double crochet in the front loops, half double crochet in the back loops. And keep repeating that, okay? Remember to chain one as you turn each time at the end of each row. And I want you to carry on until your swatch measures at least 12 centimeters tall this way, okay? And then when you've done that, then come back and I will talk about the next step. Okay, so I'll see you there.